Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my homestead. This is my house where I just put this door in yesterday, and now it is going to need to be trimmed in metal. It's very crooked, but we can work around that, and I'll show you how I bend metal for them. So let's get set up and get rolling. Okay, I mocked up a couple pieces out of some flashing I had because there's some pretty big discrepancies. It's about 5/8 inch difference there from the top to bottom, and a 5/8 inch different there from top to bottom. So I'm gonna have to get my overall length of the metal on the left side of the door. I'll do this also for the right, just haven't done it yet. And this will be my top measurements. This will be my bottom measurements. And I think that should work. This is where the J channel is the same all the way around the door, which is good. So I'm going to make a couple of these for the right side, and then get some measurements, see what metal I have, because I'm just doing this all out of scrap coils that I have. Because that's how I roll. It's just my house, ain't a customer. So I totaled up the measurements of all these. Here's my top left, bottom left. I got 7.5 total, 6 1/4. So I'm going to go with 7.5. Then I will cut everything as need be. When I get to the other side, same thing. Got everything totaled up. Ignore my chicken scratch. I wasn't very good at math in high school. That's why I got thrown out. Anyway. Okay, I'm never a huge fan of using this super view on the camera, so hopefully you guys can roughly see. If I have more of these videos coming up, I'm going to do more. And if I got really underperforming videos about installing things, I'll pull them and I'll replace them with something better, hopefully. So if you like that, go ahead and subscribe, because, you know, you're along for the ride at this point. Buckle up. I'm going to mark this. Where's my marker? 7.5. Lock it in the brake, score it, cut it, and then we will start marking out our bends, and we'll see what we got. Usually score it twice, makes it good. But as long as you got a good blade. I apparently don't have a good blade. It's brand new. Okay, I'm going to bend the J lip first, because that is the same the whole way. I gotta figure out how I want to play this. So that is a 1/2 inch bend this side. Flip it, go 1 9/16 on the other side. Then we get into the wonky part. Slide this down so you can maybe see. You know, my big fat elbow's probably in the way. Half-inch bend. One and 9/16. Top left, I was 4 and 3/16 wide. That is a backside bend. Bottom left was 3 and 9/16. Top left, 1 3/4 deep. That's right where I'm at. Bottom left, 1 1/8. Here's a trick. If you're cutting metal, if you're using your blade basically just to cut metal, and it gets cracked, you see that? Just take your snips. So all you're looking for is that point anyway, so buys you some time with your blade. This should be it. I'll bring you over by the door. Let's see what we got. Snip this top. like it. Sew a couple nails in it. Hit this left side. Then I got to figure the top. I haven't even got any measurements on that, but easy peasy. Let's go fit this. Grab my little ladder and we'll get this top. Got my top figured 1/2 inch, 1 9/16 total. It's the same as the other two sides. 39.5 wide, 3 7/8, 1 13/16 deep. Pretty good. I'm going to want to caulk along there, caulk the inside. I may, if you can see, may hit a few pop rivets in a few spots. poke the metal together. Other than that, good enough for now. Anybody have any questions or any advice for me? Leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. Maybe I will chat about it in the shop. I don't know. We'll see how the video goes when I'm in editing. See ya.